A hedgehog is a small, spiny mammal. They are native to Europe, Asia, and Africa but have also been introduced to some regions of New Zealand. Hedgehogs are well known for their distinctive appearance, characterized by a coat of spines or quills covering their back and sides. These spines serve as their primary defense mechanism, as hedgehogs curl into a tight ball when threatened, exposing only the spiky outer layer to deter predators. Hedgehogs are relatively small animals, typically measuring around 15 to 25 centimeters in length, with an additional 2.5 to 5 centimeters for their tail. They usually weigh between 340 to 700 grams. Spines. The most distinctive feature of a hedgehog is its spines. These spines are actually modified hairs made of keratin, the same material found in human hair and nails. They cover the hedgehog's back and sides and are sharp at the tips, making them an effective defense against predators. Hedgehogs come in various colorations, with brown or grayish-brown being the most common. Some species and individuals may have white or albino variations. Their face features a small, pointy snout and beady eyes, often hidden behind a mask-like pattern of darker fur. They have a keen sense of smell and hearing but have relatively poor eyesight. Hedgehogs have small, round ears on the sides of their head, which are sensitive to sounds and vibrations in their environment. They have short legs with strong claws for digging and foraging. Their paws are adapted for walking and climbing. The underside of a hedgehog is covered with softer fur and lacks spines, allowing them to curl into a ball and protect their vulnerable parts. Hedgehogs are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. They have good night vision and are well suited for finding food in low light conditions. Solitary. Hedgehogs are typically solitary animals, preferring to live alone. They are territorial and mark their territory with scent markings. Many hedgehog species hibernate during the winter months when food is scarce. During hibernation, their metabolic rate drops significantly, allowing them to conserve energy. Hedgehogs are omnivorous, which means they eat a variety of foods. Their diet includes insects, worms, slugs, snails, small rodents, amphibians, and plant matter such as fruits and berries. Hedgehogs communicate through a combination of grunts, snuffles, and hisses. They may also use their quills and body language to convey emotions or ward off threats. Hedgehogs are adaptable animals that can be found in a range of habitats, including hedgehogs are often associated with gardens and urban areas, where they find food and shelter. They can be found in wooded areas, especially where there is plenty of leaf litter and undergrowth for foraging. Hedgehogs also inhabit grassy fields and meadows. In some regions, hedgehogs are found in agricultural areas, where they help control pest populations. Hedgehogs are charming and unique creatures, but they face various threats, including habitat loss, road accidents, and pesticides, which have led to declining populations in some areas. Many people and organizations are working to protect and conserve these endearing animals. Breeding season. The breeding season for hedgehogs varies depending on the region and climate, but it typically occurs in late spring and early summer. Hedgehogs are solitary animals, and males and females come together only for mating. Mating can be a noisy and sometimes aggressive affair, with the male often circling the female and making grunting sounds. After successful mating, the female undergoes a gestation period of about 35 to 40 days. Hedgehog litters can range in size from 1 to 11 hoglets, baby hedgehogs, although 4 to 5 is more common. Female hedgehogs create nests, often using leaves, grass, and other vegetation to give birth and raise their young. The mother hedgehog cares for her hoglets, nursing them and keeping them warm until they are old enough to venture out on their own. Hedgehog hoglets start to explore their surroundings and are weaned at around 4 to 6 weeks of age. They become fully independent from their mother shortly after. Hedgehogs are opportunistic feeders with a diverse diet. Insects make up a significant part of their diet, and hedgehogs are known to eat various species, including beetles, caterpillars, and grasshoppers. Earthworms are a favorite food source for hedgehogs. Their excellent sense of smell helps them locate buried worms. Other invertebrates. Hedgehogs also consume snails, slugs, spiders, and other small invertebrates. Small vertebrates. On occasion, hedgehogs may eat small vertebrates like frogs, baby birds, and even small mammals if they can catch them. They also consume plant matter, including fruits, berries, mushrooms, and sometimes carrion. Hedgehogs obtain most of their hydration from their diet, but they may also drink from water sources when available. Hedgehogs are facing several conservation challenges. The destruction of natural habitats for agriculture and urban development is one of the primary threats to hedgehog populations. As their habitats shrink, hedgehogs have fewer places to live and forage. Hedgehogs are vulnerable to road accidents as they often roam at night. Many hedgehogs are killed or injured by cars. The use of pesticides can harm hedgehogs indirectly by reducing their prey populations and directly if they ingest contaminated insects. Changes in weather patterns and temperature can affect the availability of food and the timing of hibernation, impacting hedgehog survival. Conservation efforts are underway to protect hedgehogs, including initiatives to create hedgehog-friendly gardens, wildlife corridors, and raising public awareness about their conservation needs. Additionally, some regions have implemented measures to reduce road mortality, such as installing hedgehog tunnels and signage. Hedgehogs are beloved creatures with an important role in ecosystems as they help control insect populations and contribute to the overall balance of wildlife. Preserving their habitats and reducing the risks they face is crucial for their long-term survival.